In this video, we will learn how to create the iconic LG logo using Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's start the video. Go to View tab and click on Guides. Go to Insert tab, click on Shape and select the oval shape. Hold down the Shift key to draw a perfect circle. Then center the circle on the slide. Go to Shape Fill. Go to More Fill Colors. Make the red color size 165. The green color should remain 0 and make the blue color size 52. Then enter. Shape outline, make it no outline. Go to Insert tab, click on Shape and select Block Arc Shape. Drag it like this. Go to Rotate, select Rotate Left 90 degree and make size to 14.72 and 14.72. Then align center and align middle. Drag the yellow dot to up and increase size like this. Go to Shape Fill, select white color. Shape outline, make it no outline. Go to Insert tab, click on Shape, select rectangle. Shape outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Fill, select white color. Duplicate the shape. Go to Rotate, select Rotate 90 degree. Decrease size. Place it here. Again duplicate the shape and place it here. Select this. Duplicate the circle shape. Select white color. Decrease size and place it here. Select all and group them. Go to Insert tab. Click on Text box and draw a text box. Type the letter LG here. Select and adjust the font size. Go to Format, then Align Middle. Go to View tab and deselect Guide option. Now click on Slideshow. By following this tutorial, you have learned how to draw a LG logo in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.